Hi, my name is Greg Darren, and I am a technology education teacher here at Darien High School, and I'm also the 6 to 12 department coordinator. This picture here is a recent picture of me without my mask on, which is a rare sight these days. I am a Central Connecticut State University graduate, and I have a master's and undergraduate in technology education. I also went back to school in about 2016 to University of Bridgeport and gained my educational leadership degree. This year marks my 18th year in the classroom and my 7th year here at DHS. I am a dad of 3. My oldest daughter will be 11 next month. My middle daughter is 9, and I have a 5-year-old who just started kindergarten. I am also an avid DIYer, and I like to take on a lot of projects at the house just for home improvement purposes, just to make my house a little bit better than it used to be, anything from windows to electrical, and I even built a deck most recently over this summer. Fundamentals of Engineering is a good introductory course for students who are interested or have questions about engineering in the engineering field. And we really start with the basics. We talk about some ties to different types of engineering careers, and we talk about the engineering design process that we use throughout the course. And we also focus on different types of materials processing, and with a focus on just some basic processing. We use, in some of the pictures you could see, Tinkercad to do some drawing of CAD designs that we could 3D print. On the top we have a 3D scanner that we used in the past to scan different items and people. In this particular case, that's Mr. Reynolds there, one of our other tech ed teachers. And we do some very basic woodworking machines. We use the bandsaw and the drill press just to use them as tools to manipulate different types of materials to solve our problems for our various projects. Although you can take Fundamentals of Engineering for just one semester, it is broken up into 2 different semester courses. So if you like what you took in either the spring or the fall, you could go ahead and take the opposite semester that you didn't take. Right now we're in the fall semester, and we focus primarily on some different transportation projects. We talk about lighter than air flight with hot air balloons, where we discuss density of materials and what happens when we heat different types of gases, and how the molecules expand, which make them less dense in the air. And then we talk about heavier than air flight, like planes that you see in the background there. This is what our classroom looks like now. And planes are heavier than air, and how we generate lift with those planes, and how we design wings and airfoils, which we're actually working on right now. We also focus on some magnetic levitation vehicles and the purpose of them, on why we need to reduce friction in these different types of vehicles to get them as efficient as possible when we move people or goods. And we also do a little electrical induction for electrical generation in this semester, as well as some hovercraft vehicles. In the spring semester, we have a unit on bioengineering. In the past, we've done things like redesigning crutches and how they have to be ergonomic for people, and the problems that exist in the current crutch design, and how we could design to alleviate some of those problems. We also do some structural engineering activities. We talk about forces on materials and how we could do that efficiently. There's always budgetary implications when we build bridges or towers. How can we do it with less material but still meet the needs of what a bridge or a tower might have to support? And we also focus on energy with a higher focus on solar energy, and we designed some solar cars in the spring semester as well. If you have any questions or concerns, or you'd like to know a little bit more about the course, feel free to send me an email at gdarren@darienps.org, and you're welcome to follow me on Twitter, because when I have the chance, I'd love to post some of the awesome projects that the kids are working on.